Welcome back to Klein Electronics. Today we're going to be talking about our push-to-talk over cellular accessories built for Android devices. Starting off on my right-hand side, I've got our Victory 2-wire push-to-talk earpiece. Then we have our Triumph push-to-talk earpiece. Over here we've got our popular Curl 1-wire earpiece and our Drift 1-wire earpiece. Now let's dive into the features.
Verticals include retail, warehousing and logistics, public safety, and frontline workers. All of our 3.5mm connector audio accessories are built for the Android operating system. Our most popular for the frontline worker is the Curl. Let's check out the details. A comfortable, flexible ear loop includes a swivel earpiece for left or right ear use. The advantages of the Curl include being able to rest on the outside of the ear and not penetrate the ear canal, and be hygienically sound. They can be wiped off for the next shift worker. The Drift is a similar earpiece to the Curl, except that it does go into the ear canal, which seals off the sound pressure and enables louder volume. It is adjustable for both left and right ear use, as well as for height for larger ears, and include 3 different size hypoallergenic silicone ear tips. It also accommodates larger people with a section of high memory coiled cable. The tactile inline push-to-talk button is rubberized with the microphone placed on the top of the housing. On the back we have a steel, swivel, alligator clothing clip which reveals one screw to take off the battery door to replace the simple CR2032 watch battery. Ruggedized strain reliefs and a cable include a Kevlar strand for added pull strength. A second removable industrial strength clothing clip is added for your convenience. For those in higher noise environments, we have the Triumph and the Victory. They have a quick detach audio tube, a variety of ear tip options, and a Pro Audio Slim speaker. With the Triumph, it's a single wire inline speaker and microphone with push-to-talk all on one wire. Some may prefer the Victory, which is a split wire. The speaker runs up the back of the uniform, clips on the collar for the earpiece, while the microphone and push-to-talk come up the front of the uniform and clip on the shirt. The Pro Audio speaker of the Triumph and Victory is very slim and super loud. Let's look at some details. The quick disconnect audio tube is super short and easy to clean. You can add a variety of ear tip options. Klein's unique audio tube makes it easy to replace or clean in the field with our cam lock design. Just a quarter turn to unlock or lock back into place. The slim high memory coil cable makes it easy to turn your head without having a lot of extra slack. The all steel alligator clothing clip allows you to secure your Triumph or Victory to your collar. Along with wired accessories, Klein Electronics builds a full suite of Bluetooth peripherals with push-to-talk capabilities for your iPhone or tablets. Klein's smart PTT accessories for iOS are compatible with PTT applications such as Zello, WAVE, and others.
For more information on Klein Electronics push-to-talk over cellular accessories built for Android, visit kleinelectronics.com.